Want to know how to enable and disable the swipe to open Google or Bixby voice assistance option on your Samsung phone? Because sometimes you might need faster access to open Google or Bixby Assistant, right? So here is how you can do this. So let's get started. First, open up the settings, scroll down a bit, now tap on the display. Scroll down once more, locate the navigation bar, then tap on it. Now make sure to select swipe gesture. After that, tap on more options. Then scroll down. Here you can see the swipe to open assistant app option. From here you can turn it on and turn it off as well. If you turn it on, then go back to home screen. Next, swipe in at the left or right corner like that. And this will open up the Google Assistant app. So viewers, this is the easiest way to enable and disable the swipe to open assistant app option on your Samsung phone. I hope you find this video useful. Don't forget to drop a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.